Hello everyone. So if you want to manage notifications on your Android screen effectively, so let me guide you through it. So first of all, we are to open up our settings. After that, we are to scroll down to our notifications and status bar. There we are. Now here, let's choose our lock screen option. There we are. So first of all, the first thing what we should do is we are to tap on Format, and in Format tab, we are to choose whether we want to have our notification and contact shown or don't show lock screen notifications at all. So as we're here, then we want to get our notifications. So let's keep it on show notifications and content. And let's go back. So in this list, you can see all the applications which have their notifications enabled. You can disable them if you want to. Simply tap on the switch and you will make that happen to make them enabled again, or if it was disabled all the time and won't turn it back on, simply tap on the switch. Once again, now let's tap on any app, and here you can control it more precisely. So you can enable sound and vibration, permanent notifications. You can show notifications or not show notifications from this application at all. You can also adjust your notification pages and floating notifications right here. When you're done, simply leave this page, close the settings, and basically that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.